Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, She's French, and if you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're not subscribed yet, I would absolutely love for you to subscribe. The link is down below. Today's video is a video I've been meaning to do an update of. I feel like I've shown this to you before, but I think it was like within another video. I wanted to show you my little tiny minimal what is this, jewelry collection. I don't even know that you would consider this a collection, but I figured I would show you the pieces that I wear daily and then I guess what I keep in this little pouch. First, I wanted to apologize for not uploading in a little while. I normally try to be really consistent and upload once a week, but I've been working on a super exciting project, something that's been a really long time coming, and that might be a little bit random for any of you that only watch me on YouTube, but if you follow me on social media, my Instagram is @shesfrench. You might have seen it there, which is my little sticker shop that I just launched. I told you it was kind of random. I love to draw. I have been drawing on my iPad for a little while now. Absolutely love it. Felt like they would make super cute stickers, but never took the leap to actually turning them into stickers. But I recently got a Kindle, felt super inspired to decorate my Kindle. Here it is. It's so cute. And it kind of got me started. I was looking at stickers and I was like, well, wait, I draw stickers and I have like the perfect designs. I already have one of the machines that I need. All I need is a printer and I can make this happen. So the purchases were made. I got a printer and I've been having so much fun making stickers. Look. Here's my little inventory. I'm so proud. And I launched my shop. So if you want to check it out, all the info is below. I would love for you to follow me on my shop Instagram. I've been having so much fun making little reels of my stickers. I feel so silly saying this, but I promise you it's cute. And if you like stickers, you might like it. And let me show you my favorite and then we'll move on to the video. Or I'll show you two favorites because I'm very proud of them. I've been working really, really hard on these, making them like, you know, products I would be excited to purchase, products that I wish I could find in a store, like the things I was looking for when I wanted to decorate my Kindle pretty much. And if I can get it out of the box, I'll be able to show you. This is so funny, but I'm just really proud. I want to show you guys. This is my good morning sticker set, and you can't see them very well because they slid down, but it's a cinnamon roll, a little cappuccino, and a stack of pancakes. Let me find one where you can see the pancakes. Cannot get them out the box. They like fit perfectly. And it's very satisfying, but it means that they're hard to get out. Here's one where you can see a little bit better. There's a little card on this one with the illustration of the coffee, and basically you can keep the card as is, keep them packaged up all cute, and obviously they're stickers. They're vinyl, so they're waterproof. Wouldn't advise to put them through the dishwasher. And then here's my fruit basket one. Same thing, super cute fruit basket illustration. And then cute little stickers of fruit slices and a vanilla flower because I thought it would be cute together. Yeah, so this is my baby, or my babies. I also have a lot of loose stickers. But anyway, let's get back to the video. Just wanted to give context as to why I haven't uploaded in a while, because actually starting a shop is no joke. It's been super time consuming. I'm a major perfectionist, so I really wanted to get it right. And I wanted to put out products that I'm proud of and that I stand behind. So more to come. I'd love it if you check it out. But anyway, back to the video. So here's my little pouch. This is actually a little pouch from my wallet, but I felt like it would be perfect for jewelry because it's that kind of like soft material that wouldn't scratch. And also it's super thin. I actually throw it in my closet. If you're familiar with my closet, I have this little fluffy pouch where I keep kind of like miscellaneous things. And basically I just keep that in there because there's really not much and easily accessible. So first things first, I have these little earrings by Mejuri. I think these, I can't remember if they're solid gold or not. They have a little sapphire. I think they're so cute because I think that they match my engagement ring, so it like kind of goes together. I wear my engagement ring and my band every day, very dainty, small gold bands, and I absolutely love them. And Ryan did so good on the ring, picked it out by himself. I love it, it's so me. Absolutely love it. I love that it's very 3D actually. It's like very like classic like storybook engagement ring style. Absolutely love it. My next everyday piece that I never take off is this diamond necklace that says Zen. Zen is my son's name. I absolutely love it. It's very dainty. It's very tiny. And typically I don't have it out actually. I just tuck it away. I wear a lot of turtlenecks, so I always have it on. I like having it on, but it's not like jewelry that I show off. It's more like special, sentimental for me. And this is like not really what you're looking for here, but I do also have other jewelry that I don't take out. I have my nose ring that is gold. I never take it out. I love it. It's very small. I got as small as I could. I actually forget that my nose is pierced. I got it done a very long time ago when I was 15. It's my favorite piercing. I've had a lot of my ear pierced, and I actually would love to redo this one. I had it done 6 years ago, something like that, and it didn't heal right, and I was so disappointed because I'd love to put a little ring here, maybe one of the ones I have in here. I'm a little bit scared to redo it because I'm terrified of it healing wrong again, but it's a piercing that I love. I ended up taking out all my other ones. I had something like 5, but it just felt like too heavy. I really like more like dainty jewelry, like just like that, where you can't really tell there's something, but there is a little something. I've realized I'm not the biggest fan of studs, but never say never. And I do like my jewelry to be gold and more natural materials because I'm kind of sensitive to like to those non-metals pretty much. They do weird things to me, so I prefer to keep it super clean. Oh, and before I went on this big old rant, I also have my belly button pierced, which I know is like a little bit controversial now. Some people like it, some people are like saying that it's like past and it's not a thing. I do like mine. Mine's also like very dainty, small, just like gold. You can't really tell it's there. Has like a little sparkly, like kind of like this at the top, and then it's just gold with like the little, how do you describe a belly button piercing? Basically, you can't really tell it's there. You can definitely see it, but it's quite dainty, I want to say. And I don't plan to take it out. I do like it. It doesn't bother me. It's not something I show off. I've stopped wearing like crop tops and things like that, but I don't plan to take it out just yet anyway. So now finally in here, we have, I think these are the earrings that I've had for the longest. Oops. These are from Bagatiba. They're gold plated. The color definitely has changed a little bit. You can tell that I've had these for a little while, but to be fair, like I have worn them a lot. I love the size of these. Little gold hoop like this, quite thin. Oh, it looks cute like that. I just love them. I love the size. I think it's like the perfect hoop size. It's not too big but not too small. I used to wear them every day, but I've since kind of just put these in and I don't take them out. But I love these for a bigger earring. Next, it's like the most tiny collection, like literally tiny. Next are these little, oh my God. These tiny little hoops. These are also from Mejuri. I'm so sorry, I didn't research enough of what these are, but I'll add the links below if you're looking for anything, as long as I can find it. These are so old, I don't know if I'll be able to find them, but I'll link Bagatiba. And then these, I think I can find them. So, and these as well, I'll link those. These are just like very simple gold. I think these are gold plated, not solid. These are, I remember these being in nicer materials than this one. Just super simple. You can barely see them. Basically the same thing without the little sapphire stone. I love them. I wear these a lot as well, but I really love these ones. And then, it's so empty in here. And then I have a silver tiny little hoop, but it's a little bit bigger. When I ordered these, I actually thought that they would be the same as these, but they're not. They're much bigger. Honestly, I haven't worn them, but I felt like, I don't know, maybe one day I'll be feeling silver, which is little bit strange of me because I actually haven't worn anything but gold in a very long time, but I also don't mind mixing metals. One of my bags, my Chanel Gabrielle backpack, has really cool straps where it's silver, like a shiny silver and a matte silver in one strap, and then the other strap is a shiny gold and matte gold. So I love like mixing like that, and I think that bag does it so perfectly. And ever since getting that bag, I've been like totally fine with mixing. Just haven't reached for these just yet, but I think these with a tan would be really pretty. So that's all that's in here. It's very teeny tiny collection, but you know, I did say a minimalist collection. And clearly I love earrings. I actually don't own any bracelets, and I do wear a Apple Watch, so I don't know, pretty sporty watch band and everything. Typically I don't really highlight the watch, but I love my Apple Watch, and then the rings are really what I put on show. This, my nose. And next, I figured that we would unbox some new jewelry together because I was very kindly sent 3 pieces, ta-da, from a brand called Msblue. They reached out to me. I looked into what materials they're about, whether it's something that I would actually wear, because I am very picky about the jewelry that I wear. I do have a discount code if you're interested. It's Jenna15, capital Jenna 15, and you'll save 15%. No pressure. I did not pay for these. I was sent these as a gift to show you, and also for myself, obviously, because I got to choose them. But I do plan to gift 2 of the pieces that I got. So I guess let's open them and discuss. And first, I also want to show you what came with it. It came very nicely packaged. Came with a little thank you card like this. Just a nice experience. I really appreciate that because for me, the purchase experience goes into the packaging as well. Everything like that is super important and all goes together. You also get a little polishing cloth and a little velvet bag, which is really nice depending on how you like to store your jewelry. And as you saw, I do store mine in a little baggie rather than in boxes because I just do not have the space. So I really appreciate the attention of adding that in there. So first things first, I don't know which one is which. I do know the materials though, that I did research because that was very important for me. So let's open this one. So it's a box within a box, very well protected. The box has a little embossed M throughout, Msblue fine jewelry. Let's open. So these are tiny little huggies, and actually let me open, I'm doing my best here. Let me open the other one to show you because I got 2 that are very similar, and I did peek and I didn't realize that I got the wrong size. But let me show you the different sizes. This is the other one. So my mistake, I didn't check the sizing. So definitely check the sizing when you order, if you do order. So they're very, very similar in size. These are the ones that I'm going to be keeping. And these I'm actually going to save for my mom. And let me show you because it's the same design. Even when they wrap it to avoid scratching, like all these things really matter for me. They put one in the big baggie. So here it is. And then there's one in another so that they don't scratch together, which I think is so great of them to do that. And then of course, within the box, you have the little slit so you can stand up the earrings if you're gifting them. So I will do it like this when I give them to my mom. There we go. So you can set them up like this. You have a really great little gift. So this is the pair I'm going to keep, so I'm going to handle them. Let me pull up the stats. These are sterling silver plated in 14K yellow gold, and the stones are moissanite. If you don't know what moissanite is a man-made diamond, and actually they're very, very hard to tell apart, much more affordable, and that's essentially where you're going to see the difference between a diamond and moissanite. I'm going to get a different shot of these. But essentially, it's just a bunch of little diamonds, a little row, super dainty. I love huggies. Let me put them on so you can see. I'm gonna take these guys out. And I do sleep in huggies. I find them pretty comfortable. And that's why I really like them, because I just put them in, leave them in. And it's a solid clasp, which is so important. You heard it snap. Here they are. So pretty. So very, very dainty, but that's what I really love. I think they look so chic. I think they would especially look really good if you were to stack a couple huggies. Like a style like this, for example, would be so pretty. Something that ties in the diamonds and, you know, the gold, everything like that. You can do so much with huggies. I do like them alone as is, but I can definitely imagine a stack with earrings like this. I think these are the perfect base for a stack because they're very simple, but they add a lot. Super excited about them, and I guess I'm just gonna keep them in. The next thing that I want to show you is something that I was very excited that they had, because I got this from my husband. And you know, like, jewelry is unisex. Like, I think anyone can wear these pieces. It just depends on your style. So here is the next piece. I showed you guys my Zen necklace, and my husband has really wanted one too, and we've actually been looking for a long time to get him one that's bigger, because this is very, very dainty and I think very feminine. So here is the necklace. This is also sterling silver, plated in 14K gold with moissanite stones. So here it is, and this is Ryan's. I'm really trying to get it in focus and it will not focus, so again, I will include some different shots, but absolutely love it. There's that one. Mine are in my ears, and I guess I will show you from afar the ones that I'm saving for my mom, and you cannot see them very well. Let me pull one out. I'm sure she won't mind. Same stone details as the one I have in my ear, and you can see they're a little bit bigger. It's very hard for you to see. I do realize that. I'm sorry. I'll do another close-up shot and you're gonna laugh. But when I ordered them, I don't know what I was thinking, but I thought they would be this size. Clearly not, but that was purely my mistake. So no big deal. And my mom will absolutely love these because she loves huggies as well. So I'm sure she's very happy that I misread the way I did. And so that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed my super mini collection. I think it does make sense to show you guys these things, even though there's not much, because it actually does all go together into, you know, creating the lifestyle. And if you are looking to downsize your closet and things like that, or like you do like how I go about my style, things like that, then jewelry really is an important part of it. So I hope you enjoyed it. It's kind of funny how little there was, but anyway. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed and you're still here, please, please, please consider subscribing. It would mean so, so much to me. And thank you again to Msblue for sending me this jewelry. I really appreciate it, especially them sending it to me in France, because I know that it's not the easiest thing to ship internationally. So I'm very, very thankful for that. And I absolutely love my earrings, and Ryan loves his necklace, and I'm sure my mom will love her pair of earrings. So yep, Mother's Day is coming up soon. Maybe that gave you an idea. And that wraps up the video. Bye guys!